Today, I'll show you how to find saved passwords on Windows 11. If you've ever forgotten a password but know you saved it somewhere on your computer, Windows 11 actually gives you a few ways to recover or view it, depending on where the password was stored. Before we get started, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. First, let's check passwords saved in Microsoft Edge. Many people save their website logins inside their browser. And if you use Microsoft Edge, your passwords are usually stored there automatically. Open Microsoft Edge. Click on the three dots in the top right corner. From the menu, click on Settings. On the left side, click on Passwords and Autofill. Then click on Microsoft Password Manager. Here you will see a list of all websites where your login details are saved. You can use the search bar to find a specific website. To view a password, click on the Saved Account. Windows will ask you to enter your computer PIN or password for security, and then click the eye icon next to the password. After verification, the saved password will be shown. Now let's check passwords saved in Google Chrome. If you use Chrome instead of Edge, open Google Chrome. Click the three dots in the top right corner. On the left side, select Autofill and Passwords. Then click Password Manager. You will see a list of saved accounts. Use the search bar to find the website you need. Click on the account. Again, Windows may ask for your system PIN or password before showing it, and then click the eye icon to reveal the password. Next, let's check Wi-Fi passwords saved on your Windows 11 computer. If you want to find passwords of Wi-Fi networks you connected to in the past but are not currently connected to, you can use Command Prompt. Click the Start menu and type Command Prompt. Right-click it and select Run as Administrator. Type netsHWLAN Show Profiles and press Enter. This will show all Wi-Fi networks saved on your system. To view the password of a specific network, type netsHWLAN show profile name equals quote Wi-Fi name quote key equals clear. Replace Wi-Fi name with the exact name of your network. Then press Enter. Scroll down and look for key content. That is the saved Wi-Fi password. Windows also stores some credentials in Credential Manager. To check this, open the Start menu and search for Credential Manager. Open it. You will see two sections called Web Credentials and Windows Credentials. Web Credentials usually store login details used by apps and browsers linked to Microsoft services. Windows Credentials store passwords for network drives, shared computers, or remote connections. Click any saved credential to expand it. Click Show next to the password and verify your Windows PIN or password to view it. If your passwords are synced with your Microsoft account, they may also be available across devices. When you sign into Edge or Windows using your Microsoft account, passwords saved on one device can automatically sync to another. This helps you recover passwords even if you change computers. Always remember to keep your computer secure because anyone who can unlock your system may be able to view saved passwords. Use a strong Windows PIN or password and avoid saving sensitive passwords on shared computers. That's how you can find saved passwords on Windows 11 using browsers, Wi-Fi settings, Command Prompt, and Credential Manager.